So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up automatic weekly XRP buys on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, I'm going to go to the bottom, press on Explore, go to the top, press on Search, and then simply type in XRP, and then select it. Once XRP is selected, go to the bottom right and press on Buy. Once you're on this page, type in the amount of XRP you want to buy per week. So if you wanted to do $15 as an example, you can type in 15. Right below that where it says one time, select that, make sure that weekly is selected, and then go to the bottom and press on confirm, and then press on the purple arrow. Once you're on this page, you can kind of review the transaction so you can see how much you'll be purchasing of XRP, the fee, the total price, the frequency. Make sure that weekly is selected. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on confirm to proceed and lock in the transaction that way. So that is how to set up automatic weekly XRP buys on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.